Hey everyone! Today we're making flour tortillas or taco tortillas with cut chicken breasts or fried chicken breasts with some veggies. This is healthy meal, guys. So today we'll be using chicken breasts fried in a mixed vegetable and to make taco tortillas or taco flour. As you could see here, peeling the carrots, and I'm just using like 2 carrots for this recipe. So after peeling the carrots, you cut your carrots into tiny cubes, just like I'm doing right here. You make sure you cut your carrots into cubes, very, very tiny. So I'm still cutting the carrot, guys. It's taking me a longer time because I'm trying to make sure the carrot is very tiny. I don't want it big or you know in a bigger size. That's why I'm taking my time to make sure it's cut properly, like the size I would like it to be. Yeah, guys, you need to cut your carrots very, very little. You could see I'm still trying to use the knife to cut it into a very tiny piece just to make sure that it comes out very nice. So apparently I'm cutting the second carrot, and I'm cutting it still in a very tiny cube size, so that when we finally use it for our turtle wrap, it will look nice and it will look good. So here I'm cutting the cauliflower. I use a very small size of cauliflower because of course the recipe we're making is very tiny. It's not really much, like few slice of tortilla flour is what we're using to make this recipe. I'm cutting another piece of cauliflower. So right here I'm cutting our hot pepper. Actually I'm using green hot pepper for this recipe, so that's what I'm cutting, and I'm using just one hot pepper. So this is our yellow bell pepper. I used half yellow bell pepper, and apparently I'm cutting our chicken breast. For today's recipe, chicken breast is the key recipe for this recipe. Chicken breast is the key ingredients for our today's recipe. So I'm adding the vegetable oil into the pot, and I just poured in the chicken, my cut chicken breast in the pot, and you could see I'm stirring it right now. So I just put in our salt, I put in our complete seasoning, and I put in our Maggi liquid seasoning, and I continue to stir it until I obtain a thorough and a nice stirring, that's until the whole ingredient is totally mixed. So here you could see me pour in our ingredients, our vegetable. I mean the cauliflower, the carrots, the red pepper, the red hot pepper, and our yellow bell pepper in the pot. So I'll continue to stir this so some part of the ingredient does not get burnt. So that's what you see me do here. I'm stirring everything together. So you could see it's looking beautiful right now. Our recipe is coming together. It's looking nice. It's looking appetizing already. So I continue to stir our recipe, our ingredients in the pot, in order to avoid any part of the ingredients getting burnt. So I just covered it, and I'm going to be leaving it covered for just 5 minutes, no more than 5 minutes. So I took it off fire, and right now I'm going to be using our tortilla wrap. I'll be putting this in a tortilla wrap or tortilla flour or whatever you call it. I don't know what you call it, but you definitely gonna see me do this, and I'm gonna be wrapping dates together. I just place it in the wrap, and I'll be wrapping this up, and when I'm done wrapping it up, and it's totally covered up, which I'm doing right now, making sure it's totally and completely covered, not leaving any space uncovered. So guys, apparently I'm frying the eggs in the frying pan. I just placed it in a frying pan, and I'm gonna leave it until I obtain a nice brown color fried. As you could see here, I just fried one side of this wrap, and I'm gonna be frying the second side. So this is the second wrap. I decided to use my egg, to make sure the wrap is properly gummed together, because you know why? The first one took me time to put it together. So this one I decided to use egg. I just break egg, mixed it together, and I used my brush, to put the red egg at the edges of the wrap, so that I don't have any difficulty trying to make it perfectly closed. So here I'm trying to make sure that every part of this tortilla flour or tortilla wrap or whatever you call it gets properly cooked and properly cooked. Like you could see, this side is brown in color. Trying to make sure that it obtain a nice brown color, which is, as soon as that happens, you just take it off so it doesn't get burnt. So that's what you saw me doing earlier on. So guys, if you have watched up until this moment, I would like you to subscribe to Juliana Cooking Channel. I want you to give this channel a thumbs up. I want you to hit the notification button so that whenever I upload any video, you'll definitely be one of the first to receive notification of my video. I want you to share this video to as many people as you could. Share to your WhatsApp group, share to your Instagram group, share to your TikTok account, and you're so welcome to do so. So this is our tortilla. This is looking beautiful. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye. See you guys next time. Bye bye.